你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. In this video, I provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to write in traditional Chinese characters, and also character decompositions. In each radical series, I'll start with the ones with fewer stroke orders and gradually getting more. There will be 2 characters in each video, and I'll explain them one by one and show you related vocabularies. Chinese characters have their meanings, and when they are combined, it will create another meaning. As a result, I'll present them together. In this video, you'll learn the most commonly used radical 草, which means grass. I'll also introduce you to how to say and write 花, flowers, and 芽, birds. Besides, please make sure to stay to the end because I'll give you bonus content in this video. A Chinese radical, we call it 部首, is an indexing component in Chinese characters. Radicals relate to the meaning or the sound of the characters, and we look them up in the dictionary. When we equip knowledge of Chinese radicals, it will allow us to understand the Chinese characters easier. The radical 草 is in 3 forms. 草 looks like 2 tridents, and a trident is the weapon of Poseidon, the god of the sea, in classical mythology. When the 2 tridents, 草, is on the top of characters, the shape changes to 2 tiny crosses, 草. 草 and 草 look different, but they are the same 草 and means grass. 草 is also a pictograph. When we write grass in traditional Chinese, we use 草. Okay, without further ado, let's begin with 花 and 芽. 花 means flowers. There are 2 parts in 花. The upper part, 草, grass, and the lower part, 花. 花 is the phonetic of 花. Let's divide 花 into the left part, 人, and the right part, 比. 人 is a person or people, and it's a commonly used radical in Chinese. When you find it in the left part of the characters, it's a standstill, 人. When you want to write people alone, it's a walking, 人. I hope it helped you to memorize both of them. 化 means to transform. For example, chemistry in Chinese is 化学, and 学 is to learn or knowledge. The radical of 化 is 比. 比 means a spoon in ancient times. In modern usage, we add 手 to make it 比手, and it means a dagger. Do you still remember 手? It's a head, and I introduce it in radical 部首. Okay, after character decompositions of 花, let's practice writing with me. Ya means a bud or to sprout. There are 2 parts in ya. The upper part, 草, grass, and the lower part, 芽. 芽 shares the same pronunciation of 牙. 芽 means tooth, and it's a pictograph. Let's practice writing 牙 before I show you the bonus content. Here's the bonus content. Tooth in Chinese is 牙齿, and 齿 is also tooth. Toothpaste is 牙膏, and 膏 is paste. The toothbrush is 牙刷, and 刷 is a brush. Floss is 牙线. Yeah, you guessed it right. 线 is a thread. And we learned radical mi in previous videos. 红, 绿, and 紫. Before the end, let's combine 花, 芽, and it means flower buds. 芽 covers all kinds of buds or sprouts, not only for flowers. Yay! It's the end of this week, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's check them again. They are 花, 芽. In the next video, I'll introduce you 2 more characters related to 芽. Stay tuned and see you soon. Bye bye.